SPSS incorporation. Okay, if it's a higher version, then probably you will find a folder IBM. In that IBM you will have it. No problem. There is no SPSS. Okay. No problem. Let's see that. In it we got IBM. In the IBM we got SPSS. Now go with that. 24. You got 24. No? Then the sample. Right? You search within them. Ultimately, you will reach to the sample folder. Anybody who is not able to find sample folder? Not able to find. Sure. 21. No SPSS इंस्टॉल किया हुआ है ना? IBM SPSS statistics 21 में sample वहीं से अब खोलो programs खोलो. In that sample there is a folder English and there you will find so many files. But rest of the path is the same. Doesn't open? Okay, sure. Program files, IBM. These files. Now please check, is there any file called car sales unprepared? Car sales unprepared. Though maximum files are same in all the versions, few files are removed. Car sales unprepared. Everybody find it? Car sales unprepared. Please open up. Okay, you just open car sales. Okay, open car sales. Right? Now the good point is, whenever next time you do Control O, it remembers the previous path. So not every time you need to go through that, but look at this and note it down in your PC. What is the complete path? In my system it's C drive, program files, SPSS 18, sample English. In yours it can be quite lengthy, IBM and so many other things. You note down please. From where I get it? Click on this downward arrow. When you press Control O, click on this downward arrow and it will show you the complete path available. Note down the path in your system, because now I will ask you, open up the file band, open the file stock, open the file this. So again and again you need to come to this. So just be comfortable with your system. Note it down where SPSS files are there, sample files, and we will use them. Are you comfortable with this path? Okay. Control N, new file. Make a new file. Control N, new file, and now we will make our questionnaire, the one sample we have just worked with. Let us work on that. In the questionnaire which I have written on the board, the first question was gender. So let me write gender in variable view. First let us come to the variable view. Okay, if it is data view, let's see. It's okay. Thanks for correcting. It's a gender. Whenever there is a tabular format in MS Excel, table in MS Word or SPSS or any other software, for moving from one cell to another we use tab. tab that's available on your keyboard on the left hand side just above the caps locks. So, the moment I press tab, so many values it take automatically. Am I correct? It has taken numeric, width 8, decimal 2, values none, alignment right, measurement scale, so many things it has taken automatically. To our point to begin with now, only 3 things are important. One is name, the second is label. Now, label you can write anything and including space bar, and you can copy paste. Gender of respondent. You can use tab, you can use arrow keys, you can use your pointer with mouse, any of the 3 wherever you are comfortable with. So, I have come to label, write the label, go to the next. Now, here is in the value where the codes are given. Can you see the 3 dots available here? A keyboard shortcut for opening, that is space bar. Yeah, please ask. Can I get some volunteer, those who have worked on it, otherwise our speed will be very low. Can you please come? Yeah, please come, please help, because these are very small things, but if I will go for attending everyone, the time will be lost. So, this side you please look for, you just stand up. Any problem, just raise your hand, she will take care of. This side he will take care of. Are you with me now? Right. So, wherever you are having any doubt, just raise your hand, they will take care. Now, when you see the 3 dots available, shall I go ahead? When the 3 dots are available, either you can click on that or you can just press space bar. You see the window like this? If space bar is not working in your area, use mouse, click on the 3 dots. It asks for value and the value label. Label in SPSS is always text. Whenever it comes label means text, value is the number. So, I say 1 means male or men. I have written 1 and label is men. This is the same which we have written on the board. So, I need to tell system about it, click on the add. And second is 2 means women, 1 code is for men, add, 2 for women, add. One for men, add, 2 for women, add. If you want to change it, for example, any spelling correction is required. So, just make the correction by clicking on it, and the moment you make correction, it says change. The change will come. You can make the change. If you want to remove it, then you can remove, that is also active. So, only 2-3 things are possible. You can add anything new, you can remove anything, or you can make editing in that. All options are possible here. When all are done, click on OK. Click on the OK, and you can use Ctrl T and see whether the gender comes as the heading of the first column. You can see that gender comes as the column heading. So, it is only for internal use. If there is any spelling mistake, doesn't happen, do not worry about that. It will not create any problem, because that is only for the internal use. What will go to the output, whatever you have written in the label will go to the output.